In a previous video, we built a simple YouTube thumbnail downloader using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, we'll take the same code and turn it into a real Chrome extension. When we click the extension, it will automatically grab the active tab's URL and show the video's thumbnail. You can then open it in a new tab and save it with one click. It's a great way to learn how Chrome extension works. My name is Vladislav and let's get started. Okay, let's jump in. On the left side of the screen, we have a project created for this extension, and here, for now, we have only 4 icons for the extension. There are different sizes, as named for each file. It is needed to properly display the icon for the extension. You can read more about icons for extensions inside this icons page in the Chrome extensions documentation. But for now, let's create a manifest.json file. It is an important one to make the Chrome extension work. So let's create manifest.json, and here we'll have kind of the same structure. We just paste the code here. There are a few important keys there, such as a manifest version. It should always be 3, a name and description that are displayed in the Chrome extensions page, a version 1.0, a short name. We can check what's this. It is a truncated version for the name, so when the full name can't be displayed in such circumstances. Permissions for tabs, so the extension can read the current tab, and the action within the icons list for each of the case. So the default popup should open popup.html file. So let's create this file, popup.html. And here we'll have the same code as we've done it in the previous video, but if you haven't watched it, you can just go to my blog. You will have this link in the description of this video. Just copy this HTML code from there and paste it here. And here we'll have popup.css file that we'll create in a moment, and popup.js file. It's safe. Basically, this is a simple form with a title and input where you can paste the video URL. And this process will be done automatically when you open the extension. And what we should do next? Here, let's rename it to, let's take this icon, and we can remove it. Now let's create styles, popup.css. And we'll use also the same styles as from the previous video. Just hit save and go to the next file, popup.js. Let's make sure we've saved a manifest file. And again, the same script goes there. Hit save, and let me just double check if everything is okay. And we should be ready to go. Let's open up Chrome extensions page, and we will install the extension via load unpacked. And now you can just find the project folder. So this is our project folder. You click select, and boom, it is loaded, and you can use it right inside your Chrome browser. Let me pin this extension so we can click it from there, not from this menu. And let's open up YouTube and try to run this extension. So for example, inside this video, if I click on this extension, you see that the pop-up icon is relatively small. We should extend it for a bit. And we can do this inside popup CSS with, let's say, it width to 480 pixels. And to apply these updates, we need to go back to Extensions tab and click on Refresh. And then again, we can see the changes. I also would like to have a padding below, so let's click inspect, and now we just move this window there and click there, and as you see the padding is applied to container, but I want it on the body, so let's move this padding there, save and update the extension once more and check. Yes, it looks much better. But as you see that the link for now is not pasted to this extension. Let's modify the popup.js script, so whenever we open this extension popup, the link from the current tab is pasted automatically to this field, and the thumbnail should be extracted immediately. And to do this, here below our HTML elements selected via query selector, here we access Chrome tabs and perform a query. Next we say that we want only the active tab with the active true, and then current window to true. That means we look inside the current browser window. Then the result is passed to the callback function with the tabs array. And here we check first if the tabs array contains at least one tab, and the first tab has a URL property. It needs in cases if the tab is some kind of special page like Chrome Web Store, then we should not put it there. Let's remove it. Tab has a URL. Then what we do, we take our URL input and pass to its value the tab's URL. Let's hit save. And also handle the URL input to identify the actual thumbnail of this video. Now, again, to apply these changes, we should click on Update, and then again, click on it, and boom, the URL of this tab is passed to this extension, and then you can click and download it. But what if we click on this extension not on the YouTube video tab? Like for example on my blog or Chrome developers documentation. If you click there, it should also work properly, but with a small difference that it says that this URL is not a valid YouTube URL. And for me it's a good user experience. And that's it, we've just turned our thumbnail downloader into a working Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot for me. All the links to the source code below the video in the description. Thanks for watching.